In this video, I want to show you a cool website where you can easily apply this liquid chrome animation similar to what Apple used on their iPhone 16e video. It's called liquid.paper.design and it's free to use. On the main page, you can pick a popular logo here at the bottom, pick one of the background color presets or add a custom one, and then use these sliders to control the effect. It has a lot of advanced settings, so let's try them out. Dispersion controls how colorful the liquid animation is, then you can choose to add more depth to the edges of the logo, or you can blur out the lines to smoothen out the animation. Liquify pretty much determines how random the lines are, while speed is pretty self-explanatory. For pattern scale, you can choose the size of the area where the liquid animation takes place. Additionally, you can click on Upload Image to add your own logo. For that, a high-quality version or SVG is recommended to get the best results. This is how our logo looks like with the effect applied. Now, in order to save this, you can right-click and save a PNG frame of the animation. Or, as mentioned in a tweet by the creator, you're free to use screen capturing software to save the full animation. If you're on Mac, zoom in a little with your trackpad, and you can use Command plus Shift plus 5 to record the screen. Make sure to check out the creators of this tool. There's a link in the description for the website to try on your own. Don't forget to visit the Creative Devotion website for more design resources, music, inspiration, and more. If you want to continue learning, check out this other video on the screen. This was Sam from Creative Devotion. Thank you, and see you next time.